Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today we are going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm box. So the first thing that we're going to go over is obviously what is on my face. This is, let me pull out the little pamphlet thing. This is from Wonder Beauty. This is the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. This retails for $13. So these gold foil under eye mask brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles. With aloe leaf extract and lavender oil, cool and soothe your under eye area. So we're gonna go ahead and take these off because I've already had them on for over 15 minutes. Alright, so let me go ahead and we're gonna wipe my face down real quick before we get started. Because the next thing in our box is from Becca, and this is the First Light Priming Filter. This retails for $15 to $18. It's a prep and prime your skin with the Becca primer. First Light Priming Filter, backlight, creates a perfectly smooth canvas for your foundation. So the theme of this month's box is Life of the Party. So all this is supposed to help you look your best when you're going out partying, which at my age I do not do, but I'm all for having makeup last throughout the day just the same. So alright, now that I've got my face wiped down, we'll go ahead and we will start off with the primer. And it is purple. It smells really good. Almost like it's got lemongrass in it or something. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead off camera real quick and put on my face makeup, and then we're going to come back and talk about the rest of the items in the box. Alright, so the next item that is in the box that we're going to look at is from NCLA. This is a So Rich Lollipop. So this is vitamin infused cuticle oil, which I'm not gonna put on my nails right now because I need to redo them anyways, but I'll definitely try this out. This retails for $18. The next thing that I'm not going to be trying today because it's not going to go with the look that I plan on doing, this is from Bang Beauty. This is a chocolate eyeliner that retails for $22. If it was black, I'd probably use it right now, but like I said, since it is brown, it's really not going to go with the other item in the box. So the item next that we are going to be using, this is from Laura Lee Los Angeles. This is the Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $19, and this are the colors that are in it. So there's some very vibrant colors. Excited to use. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start off with the It's a Party, which is this yellow right here. Alright, so the next color that we're going to go into is called Drinks. And that's that orange, and we're just going to bring it a little bit lower than what we were with the yellow. I'm going to go back into the yellow again, just to get those harsh lines. Next color we're going to go into is the bottoms up, which is this pink here. We're also going to be using this color here, which is called Hungover. This is going to go in the outer corner. Go back into the drinks, which is the orange, and just blend those edges. Alright, so what I'm going to do is go ahead off camera, do the eyeliner and mascara, and then I'll be back for the last item in the box. Alright, so we're back now. I've got my mascara on, got my eyeliner on, so we're going to go ahead and deal with the last thing that is in the box, and this is from Smashbox. This is, let me see what this is, a liquid metal liquid lipstick in the color Mauve Squad. That's what it looks like. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to try this on. Oh, and this retails for anywhere from $21 to $24, depending on the shade and finish, because that all varied in everybody's box. And it's kind of like a rose gold color, as you see here, but this is the eyes. And the finished look using the items in this month's box. Alright, so the overall retail value, if you're going with all the high-end cost on everything, is $114, which is definitely a savings compared to the $21 that you spend on the month's box. So definitely recommend looking into this subscription. I will leave all the details for it down below in the description box. So again, I thank you for watching. If you have not already, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hit that notification bell so that way you will be reminded the next time I upload. I again thank you for watching, and you have a great day.